turn the lights off. Everybody likes to get taken for turns, to see how bright the fire inside of us burns. Everybody wants to get even tonight, but all good devils masquerade under the light. Oh, finally I've finished. I'm just let the clanker do its work. I hate when these use these stupid AIs, bro. They're much too unimportant and unwilling to work. Beep boop doodly doo doo. Start digging in your butt, twin. Hey, what are you doing? Stop pushing. Hey, you've already. Oh, okay then. I guess. Oh dear. Stop right now. Stop now. Now, stop. Help.